Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add caption to a video using the VEED AI. Start by opening the VEED AI on your web browser. Then on the home page, click on Generate Subtitles. Select and upload the file you want to add subtitles to, then wait for it to load. Choose the language spoken in the video. I'll be using English. You can also enable to translation and speak detection if needed. Then click the auto subtitle and wait for the vid AI to process the video. Once generated, you can edit the subtitles, adjust the lines, and fine-tune the text as needed. And that's it. Its VEED AI will automatically add subtitles to your video, making the process quick and effortless. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.